coming to you with another video. And today, the long and awaited, anticipated moment is finally here. We have been waiting for nearly a while now, maybe a month since I last did my unboxing with the ASUS ROG phone. But this time, we're going to be talking about that bad boy right there, the Twinview dock. Finally, we got it in yesterday, and I was like a kid in a candy store, couldn't wait till it got here, and it's finally here. And I am really excited about this device, which I've been mentioning for a while in my videos and also the last video that I made regarding the ROG phone. But finally, guys, we have it. It is here. Purchased it from the Microsoft Windows store online, and I pre-ordered it. I thought it was, I mean, for some reason, every time it went for sale on the ASUS store, it would be like sold out. And I was like, let me pre-order here on the Microsoft store, and finally I was able to get my hands on it. It cost quite a few, like $399 retail price. However, the question here, is it worth it? Let's just jump right into it. I mean, unfortunately, this is not a complete unboxing because I could not like just wait to do this unboxing. Like I had to just open it up, and I did. But inside the box, besides it smelling fresh, it comes with like just guides. Let me see if I can open this up. If we can speed this up a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Oh gosh, my fan came out. Yeah. So I removed my fan from the ROG phone because I have it actually plugged up to the Twinview dock already. But there's really not much in it besides, you know, like a guide. You got guides, which is only a few pages in English. After that, everything else is different languages for those of you who purchase it from outer countries. But in here is another guide of some sort. There's really not much going on in there. You could actually use this box like a stand of some sort, from what I heard. But like it's a pretty cool box. The fact that you can use it as a stand, which I'm not going to use it as. You can put your Twinview dock in it and place it as a stand. There it is. There it is. The most, like I said, anticipated moment for me. This is what kind of sold me on the ROG phone. The fact that you can place your ROG phone inside something like this. Not only will it protect it, because it's very durable. I mean, this feels like a brick, guys, but it just looks different. It screams hardcore if you're playing mobile games. I was playing PUBG Mobile on this, and it felt great. I was playing Rules of Survivor, another game that I really like, but I have yet to stream, and it felt great. The fact that it has these trigger buttons right here with haptic feedback, so whenever you use them, it vibrates, it feels great. It has that RGB lighting. There's also a fan right here. You still got to cut out for the camera. This right here locks your device inside, so like you don't have to worry about anything flipping out. Everything about this just screams like hardcore. This is a power button that, as soon as you turn it on, when you plug your phone on this dock, it's going to automatically ask you for an update. You're going to need to update in order to. It just screams hardcore, guys. Like, you gotta have this if you have this phone. I mean, for me, this is the reason why I have it. Like I said, it was, I didn't think twice about it. This is why I bought it. But it has two screens identical to each other. They're both AMOLED a 90 hertz display. This right here in the bottom, like this screen feels really smooth when you're like navigating around. You can like do so much with this. Like you can literally have displays on both ends. Apparently some games in the future, ASUS is working on some games right now, some developers, to be able to use to be able to have the game be able to use both screens. So like when you turn it on, like both screens are going to be lit, and like you might have a map up here, and you might have like, you'll be able to utilize both. Again, this is brand new, so there's nothing really out there like this. This is definitely not for somebody who just wants to just, you know, play a regular mobile game. Like this is for people who actually take like PUBG, Rules of Survivor, even Fortnite for that matter, to a serious, you know, level. And I have yet to play Fortnite on this. I'm going to try to actually play that on here. I think it'll be great. But also it has 4 speakers, so this sounds amazing. I'm going to actually show you how this really feels, like how it sounds, how it plays real quick. Like if you wanted to record, like I can hit this and record, do macros, whatever. We're just going to jump right into training base. Let's just go. We're just going down because we don't care. We're savage like that. But my name on this game is Hitman's Eye, so look out for those of you out there who play this game, because yeah, I'm gonna be lethal. Alright, I just want to like shoot somebody. Hold up. Did I just see something? Oh. Give me that. I'll take a snipe. Alright. $255. Where you at? Look at that. That trigger is amazing, guys. These haptic feedback triggers feel great. There he is. You're done, buddy. Lies. Yo, my man got away. Hell no. Oh, my shotty. Oh, and I just died. I was not watching my back. Damn. It's all good. Well, there you guys have it. Like I said, is this definitely a go-to weapon if you're playing PUBG Mobile, Rules of Survivor, and you just want to display skills while streaming or multitasking? Or maybe you want to YouTube and be OG like that, watching tips on how to knock down anybody in your sight. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever pleases your boat, I don't give a damn. But I'm gonna tell you right now, this phone is amazing, and even better when you have this on it. It just makes it feel like a ROG, like a ROG. Like it just screams hardcore. Look at it. It's just beautiful. Like I said, it just screams hardcore, guys. If you guys have been thinking about it, don't think too much, because people are gonna buy this because it just looks crazy. Like it has been selling like crazy, guys, and it has a reason for that. Is it something you need? Maybe not really. If you're looking to spend money and you got money to spend like that, you know, it's futuristic. It looks great. It looks awesome. It looks something straight out of, I don't know, Enemy of the State. Like, it just looks crazy. And the fact that you can do so much with this, I have yet to dive in and do so much with it, but you can. It's just the high hopes for this is inevitable. There's so much more that you can probably do with this that I have yet to find out. But we're gonna find out together. If you're watching this video, please don't forget, go ahead and hit this like button. Go ahead and make me relevant. Be a part of the family. Be a part of the nation. You know, we're growing, and we're growing together. So go ahead and follow me so you guys will be up to date. Make sure you hit that bell, because it doesn't make any sense if you're subscribed and you don't hit that bell. You won't know when I'm on. So hit that bell. Be all about it. And until next time, this is your boy signing out. Talk to you guys later.